hair like 30 times until you think it looks somewhat decent, and then it still just never does. Anyway, hey guys, it's Liz, your official craft nerd, and I am just throwing together a very quick video of some Dollar Tree finds. I did go and visit a couple of different stores, trying to put together a decent haul to show you guys. Really was just out trying to find new items that I can do projects with. I have some DIYs that I'm doing this week that I will have videos up for. So you will see some of those items that I got for those DIYs. Did I just say DUIs? Y'all, DIY. In any case, some of those items are in my haul today. So don't go, why does she have that? What is the purpose? There's a purpose. So I've definitely been inspired by a lot of really awesome fellow YouTubers, and just got to say that I'm very, very honored to even be a part of this community. So it's so much fun to learn and to meet new crafters, and I know a lot of you that are new here are probably from your own channels, and you're experiencing this awesome community the same way. So big shout out to all of my faves out there, and all of my subscribers that have gotten me this far. So if you're new here, I hope you stick around, and if you don't like what you see, then you know, it's okay. You know, I'm okay with that. So but let's go ahead and just jump into the haul so you can stop staring at the roots. Oh God, we're fixing this today. So y'all take care, check it out. Okay, y'all, check out this adorable candle holder. They had them in black, purple, and orange, but I thought this black was super chic. I found these adorable burlap foam pumpkins, and I just thought these were super, super cute. Definitely is gonna work very well with my decor. So I found these larger foam pumpkins in white, which I absolutely loved, and for $3 they were definitely well worth it. I grabbed 2 of these. So I found these beautiful gold candles over in the candle section. I have not seen these before, but I had to snag up quite a bit of these because I loved this color. So I'm really sad that I put this off for so long, picking up these mini bales of hay. This was the only one I could get. So I finally found some of these terrarium planters, and I'm really excited to give these a shot and get creative with these. So you guys know by now I'm in love with Dollar Tree stickers, and I found these beautiful blingy skull sticker wraps, and I am so excited to use these. How cool are these? Although I cannot find the wood pumpkin stickers, I did find these really adorable witch hat stickers, which would be great for any kind of Harry Potter or Halloween decoration. So I picked up a few of these trays from the party section because I do have a Halloween tier tray in mind, and these are the perfect size. Y'all, who doesn't love a googly-eyed spider? Totally picked it up just because, I mean, it's cute. Why not? I was lucky enough to find some of these owl tin buckets, and I thought this guy was super cute, so I had to pick him up. So these butterfly clips, these are definitely new for me, and I thought these were super, super cute, and for Halloween, I mean, I had to grab some. Although I really didn't need any more raffia, I wanted this bluish purple color. I just feel like this is definitely good for year round, but definitely will work for some Halloween fall projects. So this is the only plain pumpkin ornament pack I have been able to find so far, and I grabbed it. So hopefully I can make 5 of these last. Okay, so I did buy some mouse traps. But this is for DIY, so kind of stay tuned to see what I end up doing with these. Again, I am addicted to stickers, and I found all of these planner stickers, 3 different books that I didn't already have. So, of course, the llamas, all of the hearts, and of course, the space panda. I love these so much, so I picked some of these up. This was a really cool decal that I found that I feel like would make a perfect sign for anybody's kitchen decor. And this was the only one that I could find like this, so I loved it, and I'm going to definitely use this very soon. So I'm absolutely in love with skulls and anything sugar skulls as well, and I am so excited they brought back their sugar skull collection this year. Had to grab some of these hand towels. These are so adorable. So the calendars this year have been amazing, and I found this wine dedicated calendar that I fell in love with. And I grabbed a couple of these because these will make perfect signs. I could only find one of these farmer market calendars, but again, this is what one everyone has been after. So definitely, if this is your style, you would love these images. This calendar, very inspirational, super, super pretty. I love the quotes on the back. I thought these will also make amazing signs. This is more my style. This is the more boho, um, very pretty, but I loved all these images on here as well. I mean, this pumpkin is to die for. I love it. These, again, I don't even know what to say. These are all so beautiful. Look at these. Grab them if you can. So Dollar Tree is on their sign game this year. I found these 2 very large signs, one that says beware and then the stacked pumpkins. Definitely very okay as is, even though with all that glitter, but I can definitely work these into something else as well. So I stocked up on both. I did find this really cool hang sign, more like a banner sign. They had a different one, but this one was my favorite, so I picked up a couple of these. I had a project in mind for these. These signs were super adorable, just very cute. They almost actually fit together like a puzzle, but they're just slightly off. Either way, I grabbed both of those. Now, if you don't mind the glitter, these were adorable. Adorable. I love these. There's nothing else I can say. These are just so stinking cute. These two are probably my favorite. I love what they say. I think they're very Halloween vintage, especially the witch sign. But these were very, very cute. Grab these if you see these. These ones as well. These ones were amazing. They have a very large cutout, 3D piece in the middle of both of them, or I'm sorry, both of them, all 3 of them. And they're old school, and I don't know, there's something about these that I absolutely adored. And then this sign, of course, super cool. I love the shiplap look, and the saying, very, very, very cute. Definitely can be repurposed as well. So this isn't Halloween, but these were planters that I found. The newer ones, I only found 3 out of the 4, but I do have the original ones that they came out with last year. So I am collecting them, and I was really excited to find these. They're so cute. And finally, I just stocked up on the berries. There's so many projects that these can be used for year round that I just had to get every color I could find. See that I flipped this way, and I'm like, this way is so much better, and it doesn't look so. You guys, I'm a hot mess. Anyway,